Welcome to SMF Street, stockmarketfunding.com, home to Main Street. If you're tired of Wall Street, well, that's why we created SMF Street. Worldwide, people that live in different countries, you're welcome to be on SMF Street. There's a way to go. What you need to do is go to the home page, click on International Stock Trading Sign Up. You do not have to be a U.S. citizen to be an SMF Street trader. Let's make that clear. And we have many programs. We have our own platform, direct access trading platform. We have so many things. I can't even say it because I'm going to do the Dow chart. You're welcome to click on the link, 5-day free trial sign up. I would do that. You're also welcome to click on the sign up button. Here you put your name and your email in. We will email you and update you on what we're doing as far as what the markets are doing. And you'll receive an email back that says click on the link. We do not send emails to people unless they want them. That's why we have this special system right here that once you go in the database, you wanted to be there. Okay? So basically, I'm going back to the Dow chart. What you have is an upper trend line coming off of the lows of where the rally started in 7/5 of 2009. And we traded this whole rally up. And the thing about it is that rally was broke right here in the middle of this bar, SMF Street weekly bar, is where this long-term rally had broke to the downside. And the secondary rally attempt on a double week attempt comes right through this diagonal trend line, which also comes right there. And you had another double dip. The summer ascending rally has started here, but has also failed here. So the lower trend line off of that summer or July of 09 rally comes across a double week bottom. And the upper end of this line is about 99.18. And that means that a closing price below 99.18 means that the whole rally here is changed into a full bear bull. You've had the light summer rally up. You broke the long-term trend, a secondary, and a third. You broke it here and made the lower lows, and you've come up. But the summer rally, like I said, right now is over. I said it a week ago when we were up here making the highs, just like I did it over here. And if you have a hard time understanding that, you come to the Stock Market Funding website, and under our indexes that are archived, you can go back and see where we called the top. We know what we're doing. Do you know what you're doing? It's very confusing out here in this environment, so a lot of people are very innocent as to what these markets can do to you. So basically, I've showed this part of it. There's another short-term trend break that comes right through here where we're at. That's this one here before you get to that one. And what I'm going to say is I'm going to blow this up right here. You know where the trend lines came from. This break below that diagonal line that comes right through these last lows of where the bounces were is that is that engulfing bar up within the summer 3-week top to that reversal. Now, what I am going to show the SMF Street traders and S&P 500 index option traders is that this diagonal line is a major line before you get down here. A close below here, that whole rally off the 09 is toast. The bearish implications is as follows in this bar, is that you undercut the 20-week, you've come down within the weekly bar, and you're toying with the 50-week, and the 10-week is the market is trying to get light volume support because everyone's on vacation. It's the dog days of Dow, and basically what's going to happen is that the whole uptrend and all of the fiscal stimulus and everything that the government's tried to do and the FOMC has tried to do is at a very vulnerable risk moving into the fall. Not to mention what the elections can do. Right now, it's the beginning of a bear reversal from the short light volume bull reversal. Bull means go up. Bear means go down. And if I sell through that 10 week and that 50 week, next week is options expiration. Is going to be very volatile. But going into September, if I go below that 10 week and that 50 week, and it starts to turn like the blue lines did over here in that last reversal going down, that will be another double bear within the attempted rally or relief rally of the summer rally, which is quite weak, is that selling pressure could really come into this market. And once you break these lows here, there's big problems below that third line. We're going to be watching as we move in, and next week is options expiration week. So we don't really count a whole lot of what could really happen next week. The most important thing is when the holiday is over in the U.S. and you move into September, which is classically a very good time. If people don't believe it and they think there's a double dip and the bulls start to throw in the towel like they started this last week, they were walking the market up, trying to get bullish and everything because a lot of people were pessimistic. But let us not forget what happens next week and we get below these weekly moving averages, then the bear trend will be intensifying. And the put options for our staff, SMF Street Trading, everyone qualifies, people. You don't never know. It doesn't matter if you've ever traded or bought a stock in your life. We got people here right now that have never bought and sold a stock and that are doing quite well. So everyone qualifies. Everyone qualifies. It doesn't matter. You're going to be behind us. So basically you're behind me and SMF. And we're quite good at what we do. So you will get good hands-on live trading. That's the Dow. And that's the bear right there in this bear bar coming down. You got support here, don't get me wrong. It's what happens though is when it doesn't hold as support and you start to sell through this left shoulder through that 50 week and you come down to this 10 week on that left side shoulder here and you don't hold that 10 week and you go through there, you're going to get lots of stop market orders that get taken down, and the bear move is going to increase the momentum substantially. You've been given a gift.